Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare chicken keema kebab. So the ingredients required to prepare this chicken keema kebab are, here I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken and I have grinded it in the grinder. 1 medium size onion finely chopped. Little bit of fresh coriander leaves nicely washed and cut. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh black pepper powder. Here I have taken 2 medium sized chillies and I have sliced them like this. If you want the kebab to be a little bit more spicy, you can increase, or if you're making for kids, you can reduce this also. Salt as per our taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and we'll be using oil for cooking. So the first step that we are going to do is we are going to mix all these ingredients, that is the onion, coriander leaves, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, the coriander powder, black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt as per our taste, and now I will mix it properly. As it is grinded in the mixie, so it will bind easily. So now it's properly mixed with the chicken mince. So now friends, we'll take little oil and we'll apply it in our palms. We will take small portions of this minced chicken. We'll roll it up nicely and flatten it nicely. So this is done. We'll keep it aside. We'll repeat the same process. We will take little bit mince. We'll shape it into a ball first. And then we will press it. This is also ready. So we'll repeat the same process and we will make the kebabs with this remaining mixture. So friends, here I have made the kebabs here. I have shaped it. Our next step is we are going to heat oil in a pan. So here I have heated 3 tablespoons of oil for frying. We'll slowly place this in the pan. Be careful friends, as oil splatters a lot. Fry it over medium flame friends. Fry it over medium flame. We will flip it the other side and we will see, so that this side will also get cooked properly. So here is our kebab fried properly on both the sides. I will remove this from the pan and I will fry the remaining kebabs. So friends, here is our chicken keema kebabs ready. Very simple recipe, very easy to prepare, and yet very delicious. Serve it hot with green chutney, salad, I hope you liked my recipe friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching friends. Bye.